Mr. Majors, the project that I'm doing are contract work.
Do you expect me to just sit at home and not complete them?
Miss Brissett, are you aware that you are the subject of an ongoing investigation?
I'm well aware, Mr. Majors. You don't need to worry.
And am I to understand that you have taken the company tracker off your car when I told you that you are basically under house arrest?
Sir, are you aware that the kidnapper was in a shootout with one of the agents and he was killed?
Yes, I am aware. But you see, we need to know that you are not an accomplice. And so until this investigation is concluded, I am telling you to stay put.
Mr. Majors, enough of it. I don't need to listen to any more of this.
Whenever time you have completed your investigation and have your charges to bring forth, then we can have further discussions.
Listen to me. This is what is going to happen. You will find yourself in my office at 9 o'clock Monday morning, and please don't be late.
Yes, sir. Right and early Monday morning. See you.
Yes, we are going to deal with this once and for all.
See the man, boy a passing place. That's why I tell you, I have to give him a wicked page. But think about it. All of this could end up much worse. You know that.
Yeah, I know. So, come over later.
No, you know. But it done plan already. We go link up some of my squad today.
You sure?
Then you use Tony and on our way over there.
So, she don't know where I'm going already?
Personally, I don't really want to fling it up in them face, you understand? We don't really like if we just hold it down and keep things smooth as simple. You understand?
Okay. Later.
Morning, Tony, Ann.
Morning, Mr. Savage.
No, sir. Let's stop going.
Oh, that tea?
Yeah, Bubbles?
Yes, baby, may I come?
The past man outside?
Yeah.
So, when official now?
Well, we still get to know each other.
Oh, so that's why I sleep over here last night to get to know you.
You know, stop. As I say, him no want it load up. And me no want that either.
Why? Are your man, you know, say for own him up and try to make a next woman own him up for you.
See? Me not insecure about my relationship, nor myself.
So why the secret then?
One, the agency kind of touch about them things here. And two, remember the kind of work we do. If the wrong people know about we, them They might try come after me to get to him, and vice versa.